To check your transaction history on Amazon Prime, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, hover over or tap on the Accounts and List option located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select your account. Step 3. Navigate to your orders. In your account settings, look for View Orders option. Click on it to view a list of all your past orders, including those made through Amazon Prime. Step 4. Filter your orders. On the Your Orders page, you can filter your orders by date, order status, or type of items. Use these filters to narrow down your search for specific transactions. Step 5. Review transaction details. Click on any order to view its details. This will show you the items purchased, the transaction date, and other relevant information, allowing you to track your spending. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Amazon Prime. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore Amazon's help section for more assistance.